Hi guys and girls, welcome to channel CyruZ. So today is finally time for me to clean up my studio after the renovation. So if you see here, this is all my current situation. Yeah. And here, my toilet after done renovation. But the aftermath is quite disastrous because you see here, all the dust has been covered. Yep, you see. And here actually I missed out the covering before that when they do the renovation. So actually many of my stuff has been dusted. So now let's do the cleanup. Okay, and now this is time to unlock my Pandora box. I think this is the first because I have a lot of detailed things inside, and so it's dusted. Here is it. It's quite a mess. Dust, even though I've covered it with a layer of dustbin bag, because I think the renovation dust is very fine. So I think a lot of dust still persists coming in. So I think it will take some time to clean it up, but I think it's a good time for me to also restructure my studio setup.
A few moments later.